works! Look at that weld. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the DMV channel. Today we are going to get that roll cage all welded up in our LS Swap Miata. Let's get to work! Alright, the goal today is to get the rest of our roll cage welded up. So we've got our door bars, these bars, we've got some roof bars to weld up. But back here we're going to tie in with some plates as well. These are at a different plane, a different angle. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the back of this plate about halfway through and bend it nicely, get it where it needs to be, and then weld it on the back. So on the front it'll just look like it's been broken, a metal break. Look at that weld! I think glasses make a difference! Alright, we got the side plates in, and now we're going to put the top plates in here, which is going to tie it all together. I really want to tie this piece in, but it's going to be covered by the template. So what I think I'll do is I'll cut a slot with the angle grinder that's a little fat, and we'll weld that up and weld that in. And that way that little portion there is tied in and locked into the rest of it. Snack time.
You really gonna do that?
Do what?
Not wash your hands and eat
Oh, it's
food?
fine. These aren't germs. This is just grease and metal. There's no COVID. There's no germs in this. It'd be fine. So I'm trying to really get this all fitted up the last few bars, like these roof bars, the door bars, where this is tied in back here. These are points when people walk up to the car, they're really going to look at the welds and judge it. Some of the other welds that are hidden down deep, yeah, they're kind of a little bit trashy. They're not bad. I feel like they're pretty good and they're not going to fail, but I really want to, I guess, bring it home and slow down the pace a little bit on these last few bars, make sure the fitment's perfect. Hey, come on! You trying to make me look bad? All right, we got the roll cage done. It turned out really good. I've never built a roll cage before, but I mean, it's just metal after all. We have about 100 feet of tubing in it. We got about $550 in material cost in the pipe itself. And then we have about, I don't know, $1,200 worth of tools. So if you had to buy the tools and you had to buy the pipe and your consumables, you'd have less than $2,000 in it. That's really not bad. If you think about it, you'd probably pay a shop about $70 an hour to build a roll cage for you. We have about 100 hours in ours. So you would spend probably close to $8,000 to have one built. Of course, they might be a little faster. We weren't that fast. But either way, it's definitely a savings to do it yourself. And if I can figure it out, anybody can figure it out. So if you're considering putting a roll cage in your Miata or whatever car you have, you should definitely go for it. Go all out. Try it. Worst thing you're going to do is cut it out and throw it away. After all, it's just metal. But thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.